Okay, here it is together. Now let's see if you can see inside. Ah, you can see it now. Looks like a U in there. Okay, so now you can see it. See one side here, inside, and there's the other. Alright, so first and foremost, remove the cap. You can depress it just a little so you can get your fingers on the top here. Stick your screwdriver into one side. I actually have the wrong screwdriver. And then the other, and you'll feel it pop right out. Did you see that? Great. Here's your washers. Your spring, by the way, plastic first, then rubber. Okay, all that's important later in case you want to reassemble it for some reason. Okay, to disassemble the spout on the American seal or the Scepter, just depress, open it up, expose the seal, remove the seal, the whole thing comes apart. Simple enough.